Do you want to lose fat and build muscle at the same time? All right, if so, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this a reality. So at the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what to do so you can build muscle while losing fat. All right, so my name is Jack Bly. I have over 100,000 followers on Twitter here. I run a company called Default Kings. We help men lose weight, build muscle, and maintain a healthy body weight for the rest of their lives. All right, so let's jump into it. How do you make this happen? There's 3 keys that we need to do. All right, if we do these 3 keys, we're going to be golden. We're going to be amazing. We're going to make this happen. So number 1, optimal calories. There's a lot more nuance than people think comes to this. So in order to pick the right amount of calories that we should be consuming, we need to consider things like your goals, your body composition, and your training experience. All right, so first thing that we're going to look at is, do we want to prioritize muscle gain or fat loss? All right, so you have to pick a priority. All right, so if you're on the heavier side, the fattier side, you're probably going to prioritize fat loss. If you're on the skinnier side, you're going to prioritize muscle gain. So make that choice right now. What is it going to be? All right, you got it? Good. So moving on. Right now, you know you're going to either be in a surplus if you chose muscle gain, or if you chose fat loss, you're going to be in a deficit. All right, that is what's happening. Now, for those of you that chose muscle gain, if you're more of a beginner in your training experience, you're going to be in the heavier or a higher calorie surplus. If you're more advanced, you've been training for years, you're going to be in this lower calorie surplus. If you chose fat loss, all right, beginners, again, a deeper calorie deficit. Advanced is a little bit less of a calorie deficit. All right, so make sure you note this down where you're at according to your goals and your training experience right here. So number 2 is optimal protein. All right, so this is key number 2. No protein equals no muscle growth. So if you don't do this, it's not going to happen. You can't pull off this body recomposition where you build muscle while losing fat. It's not going to happen. So what we need to do is consume at least 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of target body weight. All right, so this is simple. Think about the target body weight that you want to get to. All right, so if you want to lose weight, you're at 200 pounds, you want to get to 180. Think about, okay, 180 is your number. If you're around your target body weight, you can use your current body weight. If you want to get to a higher body weight, use that body weight. All right, and once you have that body weight, you simply multiply that by 0.8 or 1. All right, eat in that range. That's going to give you the ideal amount of protein that you need to be consuming on a daily basis. Ideally, since we want to do a recomposition, we're closer to that 1 gram per pound of target body weight. All right, so that's number 2, optimal protein. Number 3, progressive intensity. So nutrition. All right, number 1 and number 2, these are the fuel to the car. The training is the engine. All right, the fuel is useless without an engine to power. All right, so progressive intensity is going to be that engine. All right, so progressive intensity, what this means is the stimulus placed upon our muscles that must be increased over time. All right, so we don't want to do the same thing every single day. Have you seen those people that walk into the gym? They don't even look like they work out. They look the exact same. You see them there. They're consistent. They actually work out consistently, but they never change. Their body always looks the same. They don't do progressive intensity correctly. All right, we must increase the stimulus. So what that means is, let's go over an example here. All right, this is going to be the goal of every workout, by the way. So every time you step foot in the gym, every time it's time to work out, this is the goal. So the next time, so this example, you bench press 135 pounds for 3 sets of 8. All right, that's the example. The next time you bench press, all right, the next workout that you're doing bench press, in order to achieve progressive intensity, we must increase one of these intensity metrics. All right, it's either weight, all right, it's reps or sets, or it's improved form. All right, these are the only 3 ways to do it. So next workout, you would be effective and you would be successful if you hit 135 for 3 sets of 9. All right, increasing the reps. All right, that's that one right there. Or you hit 140 pounds for 3 sets of 8. All right, so the same amount of reps, but we're increasing the overall weight. That's progressive intensity. Or if we do the same exact thing, but we truly improve our form. All right, all of these are progressive intensities. All of these are effective workouts, but we must do at least 1 or more. If you want to do more, if you want to do more reps and more weight, fantastic, go for it. That is absolutely progressive intensity. All right, this is the goal of every workout. So make sure you're logging your workouts, seeing, okay, what did I do last time? Because I know I need to beat those numbers this time. That is how we have effective workouts. All right, here's a case study. Mateus, he's an NCAA athlete. He maxed out these 3 keys. He lost fat and gained muscle at the same time. All right, so he sent us this 2.5 months apart. Same body weight. All right, so this is the same exact body weight right here. In 2.5 months, obviously this body weight composition took place. He was significantly stronger on his squat, bench, and deadlift. Obviously lost some fat as well. This is a body weight composition. All right, it's possible if you follow these 3 keys. So I encourage you to take action on this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Implement the 3 keys. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. I would highly appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. And if you're someone who's looking to lose weight, build muscle, and maintain healthy body weight for the rest of your lives, go ahead, click the link in the description below. It'll give you some details on what we do as a company, how we've helped over 252 men do something like Mateus right here. So if you want to do that, click the link in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.